16 operating regions aligned to CIF. North America, Latin America, Brazil, North Latin America, South Latin America, South and West Europe, Northeast and Northwest, Southeast and Southwest, Central Asia, Greater China, Northeast Asia, Southeast Asia, Pacific, APM, Asia Pacific and Middle East.